Alright, so I got the free Honda Harmony, and then this is the other one that has the Brent crankshaft. They are a little different. This one is a little bit newer. This one has a side cut valve thing, whatever you want to call it, and has a bag on it. This one does not have a bag on it. Let's see. HTR. No, this is an HR. This is an HTR. So they're just a little different. But the only thing different is this one is speeds that don't work. So you gotta hold this first, second, third, first. Start this one up, so I'll start that one up. So I'll start that one up first. I've never heard this one run before. Gas in this? There's a little bit of gas. Let's see if the gas is on. Here the gas is off. That might be why. I'll try to start it and I'll see what happens. I'll start up. I smell gas. The gas was off, now it's on. Oh, gas. I'll start this one up then. I don't like starting this one up. So that was the HRR and this is the HRT. I don't know what the difference is. This one might be a newer, more expensive model. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll try to get that one going. Oh, we're gonna live by a grass here, Lucas. Loud piece of shit. As you can see, it blew shit over my garage that I just cleaned. And it definitely bent crankshaft. So this is the Harmony RT216 and the HRR216 at HTR. So I'm gonna get to work on this one now.